and it's still one of the biggest challenges in my own life, is to accept the fact that I'm choosing in every moment what I think, how I feel, what I say, and what I do, and I can consciously and deliberately change that. Power is the ability to choose and or change our thoughts, feelings, words, and actions. So I began to look at this question of why am I not happy? What's stopping me from being happy? And this is going to lead into our discussion of true, what I call true happiness. And I began to see that, I was expecting to be happy when I was thinking negative thoughts. I was expecting to be happy when I was, judging other people, when I was saying nasty things about other people, or criticizing myself or criticizing somebody else, or, when I was fearful. It was like I was having all these negative thoughts, beliefs, feelings, words, and actions, and then wondering why I wasn't happy. It was insane. It's complete insanity. I'm thinking angry thoughts, and I'm wondering why I'm not happy. I'm speaking critical, judgmental words, and I'm wondering why I'm not happy. I'm hiding on my couch because I'm afraid to put myself out there because I think people are going to judge or criticize or reject me, and I'm wondering why I'm not happy. So this is the beginning of my recognition that I get to choose, and happiness is a decision. Last week, I gave you that quote that came to me the night I hurt my leg in California, the night I first started writing the book. That thought came to me. Truly happy people are probably happy despite the events and circumstances of their lives rather than because of them. And I can see now, if I'm sitting around waiting for other people to change before I can be happy, or waiting for the economy to change before I can be happy, or even waiting for my own health to change before I can be happy, I may be in for a very long wait. And in each of those situations, I'm giving my power away. I'm giving my power away to choose how I feel in the moment. And that's the ultimate expression of power, is to be able to choose. You heard at the end of the audiobook tonight, all true choices, all true exercise of true power is arbitrary vis-a-vis the external world. It means that I'm choosing what I'm choosing irrespective of what's going on around me, irrespective of what other people are doing and not doing, irrespective of what the economy is doing or not doing, irrespective of whatever it is I think has to change for me to be happy. And so we go from who do you think you are to who do you want to be? Who do you want to be in your life? And the only way to create that person, to be that person, is to make choices independent of everything that's going on around us, everything that's external. Because as we said for the last 3 or 4 weeks, what's going on outside of us has no real power over us. We think it does because we give our power away to it. We make other people, more important. What we think, listen to how I'm saying this, what we think other people think of us becomes more important than what we think of ourselves, or what we think of ourselves. We're giving our power away every time we do that.